How to fix Messenger chat heads not showing. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix Messenger chat heads not showing. For that, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now to fix this problem, you'll have to click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, and from the menu that appears, click on the settings icon right next to your profile name. After clicking on settings, you will reach to this section. You scroll down and then there you'll find chat heads under preferences section. At the right of this chat head option, you will find the toggle button which is currently disabled. To enable it, you just simply have to toggle this button and enable it. You can also open chat head by tabbing and holding the person's profile, and from the menu that appears there you'll find open chat head. Once you click on this option, you will be shown with the chat head of that person. So in this way you can fix Messenger chat heads not showing. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.